Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I am showing you exactly how to fix ChatGPT lagging or freezing up on you. If you've ever seen that frustrating page unresponsive message in Chrome, let's get right into the solution. First, you need to address the browser hang immediately. If your screen is completely frozen and you get the pop-up from Chrome, do not just sit there waiting for it to fix itself. Click the Exit Page button right away. This kills the hung process that is hogging your computer's memory and giving you that laggy experience. Next, you need to perform a fresh reload. Once the page is closed or crashed, simply hit the refresh icon or press Ctrl-R on your keyboard. Because ChatGPT saves your chat history to the cloud in real time, Chrome will usually restore your exact conversation automatically. You'll find that you haven't lost your progress, and the interface should feel much snappier immediately after the reboot. Then, if the lagging persists, you should look at your browser extensions. Sometimes ad blockers or translation tools can conflict with the way ChatGPT streams text to your screen. Try opening ChatGPT in an incognito window. If the lag disappears there, you know one of your extensions is the culprit, and you should try disabling them one by one to find the laggy one. Finally, check your internet connection and the system status. If the lag feels like the text is stuttering out rather than the whole page freezing, it might be a server-side issue. You can quickly check the official OpenAI status page to see if they're experiencing high traffic or a partial outage, which often causes the AI to respond much slower than usual. And that's it. Your chat experience should be back to full speed now. If this quick troubleshooting guide helped you get back to work today, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next one.